Hey guys, Faisal here. Welcome back to another episode of developing a Clash of Clans WhatsApp bot. In this episode we're going to implement another command, and that is a Townhall command. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up our types folder on the left here, and let's bring them in. So exports.town_hall is equal to Townhall, and what we'll also do is bring a short version of it. So Townhall short is equal to th, like that. You can hit Ctrl S to save, and then let's go back to our commands folder. So let's close this off. We're going to do index.js under the commands folder. So we're going to implement it here. So if we do a case break above or below the player, we'll do case town_hall, and that'll import it for us here, and then we'll also bring in short with it as well, Townhall short. And what we can do is do case Townhall short at the same time. Put break there for now. Now the functionality that we're going to implement here is going to be similar to the player. So reply message is equal to await, and we'll do Townhall like that. Not that Townhall, just lowercase. There we go. Provide a clash parameters command, and then config.prefix, and we'll import it as well. So const Townhall equal to require /Townhall. Doesn't exist yet, but we'll make it. And then under commands, do new file and do townhall.js. And let's go ahead and go into player one and copy the player code, and we'll just paste it in the Townhall. And let's change a few things about. So in this case it'll be Townhall instead of player, and we probably want to provide a example tag for that. So let me grab one real quick. We've got one. So I'll use L28QJJ0Q, and here let's go ahead and do clan response, right? Because we want to get clan by tag rather than player by tag. Once we pull that, so in our return, let's just go ahead and get rid of everything in the return for now. We'll fill that in soon. We can just put grave accents there for now. And in our error handler, instead of player, we'll do clan not found. Please try another tag. Okay, cool. So now there's for the Townhall logic, we're going to need to do quite a few loops to process it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is do const clan members is equal to await, and we want to do promise.all clan response dot member list, and then we want to go ahead and do dot map and do async clan member arrow function await clash dot player by tag, and we do clan member dot tag. So it's a long function. What we're doing is we're looping through the member list that's provided in our clan response, and we're doing a map function, so that's our loop, and we're essentially calling clash.player.tag. So we're getting the player details from the Clash of Clans developer API, and we're putting it inside of an array, and we're doing promise.all to generate the promises that gets returned from here. So it'll give us the actual raw data rather than a function. Once we've done that, that's going to give us all our clan members. So now what we can do is do const townhalls is equal to clan members dot map. We'll do member details arrow function member details dot townhall level. So this is going to create an array of all the town hall levels of each member. So if a member has a town hall level 10, 14, 15, it's going to collect every single one. Now the next one we want to do is a unique one. So we do unique town halls is equal to, do squared brackets. Alright, so this is an array, and we're going to use something called a spread operator. So a spread operator basically takes the contents of an object or an array and it brings it all out. So in this case we're going to do spread operator new set, and we're going to do town halls. So this is going to give us unique values, as by doing a set it's going to give us all the unique values from town halls. So if you've got 10 town hall levels of 15, it'll give us only one town hall level of 15. This is so we can dynamically structure our town halls rather than manually typing it out. So once we've done that, do at the end of the square bracket, do dot sort and arrow function now, and we want to pass a property of a comma b, and we're just going to do b minus a. So this is going to sort it numerically, so the highest number at the top, lowest number at the bottom. And then we'll do const town hall count. It's going to be equal to unique town halls dot map. We do th, and let's do our grave accents, and this is going to be, we'll do right arrow and then town hall, and then $ curly brackets th colon $ curly brackets, do town halls dot filter, and do town hall arrow function town hall equal to th, and do the dot length of that, and we'll add a new line here as well. So what we're doing here is we're taking the unique town halls, we're looping through it using the map function, and we're then saying, okay, let's say town hall 15 is going to be placed here, and we're looping through all our town halls and filtering for only 15s, and then we're counting the length of it. So there may be 10 town hall 15s, and we're going to do 15 colon 10 essentially. And if there's 14 town halls of level 8s, then it'll be 8 colon 14, etc. So that's to count our town halls itself. Then we'll do const average town hall equal to town halls dot reduce, and then we want to do function of total value comma item value, and then total value plus item value, and then do another comma and put 0, and then we want to divide that by the length of town halls. So what we're doing here is the reduce function allows us to add numbers up starting from 0. So our count is 0, and we're taking the total value and plussing it with the item value. So first will be 0 plus, let's say the item value is in this case 15, then we'll do 0 plus 15 equals to 15. Then the next total value is now 15, we'll do 15 plus 12 if that's the next value, and then keep going until the array is finished. So that's the kind of complicated logic we've just done there. Now that'll give us all our values. So now what we can do is in our return function we can do $ curly brackets clan response dot name, and then let's do smooth brackets there, $ curly brackets, and then clan response dot tag this time, and then let's give /n/n, and we can do plus, and then our next line will be the town hall count. So town hall count dot join like that, and we can do just join it with an empty string, and then new line like that. and then we'll specify how many members there are. So we can say members. That'll just be clan response dot members plus average THs, so the average town halls, and that would be our average town hall there, just like that. So if we go ahead and save that, and then also save our index.js, make sure that that's saved properly. Now let's go ahead and run it. So yarn dev. That's interesting. Okay, I probably didn't give access to Visual Studio Code. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to pause it and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So that's actually my fault. I was trying to use PowerShell. What we need is the command line. So just in case you've done the same as me, make sure you click the drop down and select command prompt. And just give it a PowerShell. Cool. So now let's do yarn dev. Okay, so that should start up. Taking a bit longer to load. It could be the cache is a bit outdated, so what I'll do is I'll stop running it quickly, and I'm going to delete my www.js folder. Once that's deleted, it'll clear the cache for the saved QR code, so we'll just need to scan that QR code again. So if we do yarn dev again, and it should send a new QR code. Okay. Okay, we're connected. So I'm going to load up WhatsApp. There you go. And let's type th, well, let's just do th, see what happens. Okay, there you go. It tells me you need to provide a command, or a tag rather. So let's do that. Wicked. So as you can see, we've got our clan details here, the name, the town hall. So if there's 15 town hall levels of 15, 13 of town hall levels 14, etc. And then this hasn't dropped down, so let's actually look at that in the code real quick. Go to town hall. Oh, that's because I didn't add a slash new line, so let's do that. Slash new line. Well, should we implement? Yeah, that's fine. And then this, of course, is into 2 decimal places. Alright, let me just quickly show you the code change I made. So I just added a slash new line here, as that was missing. Save that. And what we can try is math.floor. Well, I guess that's 13.7, so we can do math.seal. So we'll just round up, and then we'll just say that's the average town hall. So once that starts back up again, Okay, bot is ready, and let's try that command again. Great, so it's working much better now. It is a little bit slower to run than the player command, and that's because we're just doing a little more logic. There's one more thing we should do, and if we go back to our Visual Studio Code, let's go to our index.js for our commands, and in our help message, let's go ahead and add a new help message. So let's do plus like that. Copy the player commands. We'll call this let's say clan commands, and we can do Townhall tag like that. Just save that, and let's actually add a slash new line here, just like that. Let's have a look at the help command now. Great, so it's telling us clan commands we can use Townhall as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Leave a comment below if you've got any issues, and give me a like if you found this video useful. Thanks, bye.